Making friends as an adult is hard, right? Wrong. Sure, it might feel like you need a PhD in social wizardry, but here's the secret. Making friends is actually pretty simple if you know what to do. Today, we're breaking down the science of friendship, the foolproof formula for making friends, and busting the myths that hold us back. Let's go. First up, why do we even become friends with certain people and not others? Psychologists say friendship boils down to three things. 1, similarity. We like people who share our interests, values, or the same weird obsession with niche documentaries. 2, reciprocity. If someone shows they like us, we tend to like them back. It's human nature. 3, shared experiences. Nothing bonds people faster than surviving a group project or getting lost together in IKEA. All right, let's get to the foolproof friend-making formula. Step 1, be present. Ever noticed how the more you see someone, the more familiar and friendly they feel? That's called the mere exposure effect. Your brain goes, oh, I recognize that human, I must like them. So show up, be a regular somewhere, a class, a gym, a coffee shop. Consistency leads to familiarity, and familiarity leads to friendships. Step 2, ask good questions. People love talking about themselves. Instead of small talk snooze fests, ask fun, interesting questions. Stuff like, what's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten? If you could time travel, where would you go? What ridiculous fact do you know that nobody believes? Great questions lead to great conversations, which lead to friendships in the making. Step 3, find common ground. Ever met someone and instantly clicked? That's because of mirroring. When people subtly copy each other's body language, tone, or energy, it creates an instant connection. And if you don't have something in common right away, create one. Join the same activity, talk about a mutual experience, or even just suffer through the same awkward silence together. Step 4, follow up and be consistent. This is where most friendships die. You meet someone awesome, and then nothing. No follow-up, no plans, just lost potential. Here's the fix. If you vibe with someone, suggest something low stakes. Hey, let's grab coffee sometime. Or, let's check out that thing we talked about. Friendship isn't a one-time event, it's a series of consistent small interactions. Now, let's bust some friendship myths. Myth number 1, I'm not interesting enough. Newsflash, you don't have to be a stand-up comedian or an influencer with 5 million followers to make friends. People like people who make them feel good. If you listen, show interest, and bring good vibes, that's enough. Myth number 2, nobody wants new friends. Most people do want new friends, they just don't know how to start. So be the one who makes the first move. You'll be surprised how many people are waiting for exactly that. All right, time for a challenge. This week, try one of these. 1, go somewhere regularly and be present. 2, ask a fun, unexpected question. 3, find a shared experience with someone new. 4, actually follow up with a new connection. And then tell us how it went in the comments. Making friends isn't magic, it's just knowing the right steps. So, go out there and make some social wizardry happen. And hey, if you like this, hit that subscribe button for more stick figure wisdom.